The tutorials are actually pretty easy so far. I think maybe I found some minor typo differences here and there, but nothing that's really difficult to figure out. The first thing they do is this blinking LED. They just have you modify some code to change the rate that it blinks. And so this sketchbook is what they are calling this Arduino terminal program that they have. And they have you create your own version of this, and it is originally set for 1000 milliseconds on and 1000 milliseconds off, and they just simply have you modify it to 500. So we can just go back to 1 second on, 1 second off, and you save it and you upload it. And it changed. Pretty straightforward. They get you pretty quickly into some of the basics of coding. Very simple right off the bat. Some satisfaction on being able to work with this Arduino board that they've created for, I think, primarily STEM projects, but I think it's kind of cool. Give me something to play with from time to time. And as we go along, my projects should get more advanced. But there you go. That's how they start with it. I think it's pretty straightforward, pretty cool. It's worth it. So far I think I could recommend this thing. It's going good so far.